Cyrus Janssen, or however you say this shill's name, is being investigated by the Canadian court system for lying. Surprise, surprise. Another lying shill. Who would have guessed? Cyrus, I see you took down the video being discussed in the South China Morning Post article. Don't worry though, bro. I've got your back. I'm used to you shills taking down videos, which is why anytime you guys do something stupid, I do you a favor and I save a copy. If you'd like, I'll gladly repost it on YouTube for you here. I would be more than happy to do so. Cyrus said he was there for Meng Wanzhou's trial in Vancouver, which of course he filmed in a location that he isn't allowed to film in without permission. Quite obviously, Cyrus tries to speak like an intellectual, but isn't that smart? Not smart enough to know that he was filming in a restricted area. He of course lies and said that he spoke to police inside of the courtroom. And the police said that Canada was just doing Trump's dirty work. Why would the police say that to him? And of course, that's just hearsay. You can't tell us what the police said or what the court said. That's just hearsay. This video was being shared on Twitter by Qing Chen, chief reporter of the Chinese government's Global Times newspaper. Of course, Cyrus has been posted by other communist state-run media news sources before, like CGTN. This is very common of the shills. Pretty much all of them have. Nathan Rich, Daniel Dumbrill, of course, Guelo 60. They're all pro-CCP. They all support communism. And they've all been posted by CGTN. The issue is that, of course, police have denied making such statements. Basically, again, Cyrus lied, because that's what these shills do. They lie, and they create hearsay statements in an effort to support their arguments, which are, shall we say, bullshit. And to top it off, Meng is not being tried in Canadian court. Authorities are just trying to determine whether the US extradition can proceed. So not only is he making up lies, but he has no idea what he's talking about. Of course, BC Superior Court spokesman Bruce Cohen, a retired Supreme Court judge, said of the video that this matter is being investigated. Think about that. A retired Supreme Court judge is saying that Cyrus is being investigated. Again, Cyrus would lead you to believe that he's such an intelligent individual, but didn't even know that you need permission to film court proceedings or even on the courthouse premises. Strange. How would such a smart man wearing such a wonderful suit not know that you're not allowed to film on courthouse premises? Strange. Janssen refers to the extradition proceeding as Meng's standing trial against the United States of America. He describes Meng's lawyers as prosecutors. What a moron. Cyrus has no idea what he is saying at all. And this is why people like Cyrus have no place in discussing such matters. It should be said, of course, that he said people here in Canada, they believe in the justice system, and they're hoping that essentially she can be released, which is also a lie. As a poll in May by Research Co. shows, 75% of Canadians agree with their authorities handling the Meng situation. And so do I. I think that the court system in Canada has done a wonderful job. They've taken care of Meng. They've been transparent from the very beginning, and they've just been as fair as possible. Who am I or anyone else to be critical of the situation of how Canada is doing with their justice system? Quite obviously, they're doing a very good job. As you can see, this is another case of a lying shill, a person going out of the way to support communism against the freedom of the Western world. I find it hilarious that Cyrus uses YouTube, a Western website, to spread communist propaganda against the West, with Chinese state-run media outlets. I hope this is a lesson to you shills. Quit making up lies about things that you know nothing about. In fact, I hope that more of you are investigated by Western authorities, and that Western authorities let you know that the lies and propaganda are not allowed. Unfortunately, I think that this probably won't happen. We allow people to come to our country and do these types of things. Also, Cyrus, unblock me on Twitter, you giant mangina. When are you pathetic losers going to quit running and actually debate me live? Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Twitter for my new WTF China series, and have a good day.